What's going on, guys? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading. Just wanted to check in. It is Sunday. It is 2:30 out here, and just wanted to remind you of the importance of Sunday and the importance of using today as a day to get focused for everything that's going to happen next week in the markets. Sunday should be your day where you get right with your strategy and what you're supposed to be doing for the following week. Sunday is such a huge day for me. I always take the first couple hours of Sunday to do all of my review for the week that just passed. I go over all my trades, everything that worked, everything that didn't work, and make sure with the trades that didn't work that I was following the strategy, following my risk management profile, and I'm just getting ready for the following week. So guys, just a friendly reminder that just because the markets are closed doesn't mean that you shouldn't be working in some form or fashion when it comes to trading. So if you're not taking Sundays as a day to get right with your strategy, you should start now. I promote this. This is a huge thing. I talk to all my traders about this. Don't sleep in on Sundays. Wake up early, get your work done, put in your chart work, go over your strategy, go over your demo account, go over your paper account, go over your cash account, go over any account that you've got, anything that you've been doing related to trading. Sunday is the day to get right with it and to make the appropriate changes for Monday. This should be something that you do, something I do, as I've been doing it for years. So if there's anything that I can offer you on this Sunday, it's this. Take at least a few hours today and every Saturday and every Sunday that follows to go over everything that you've done prior trading week and look at everything that needs to get fine-tuned and apply that to the week that's coming up. I hope that some of this has helped. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. info@jlewistrading.com.